In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your iPhone to your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to connect our iPhone to our Mac using a cable, and after a few seconds you get a prompt on your Mac to allow the device. You'll also get a prompt on your iPhone to trust your Mac, and you may need to enter in your iPhone passcode. Once you've done this, we can now begin to back up our iPhone to our Mac. To do this, you want to open a Finder window, and then you want to click on your iPhone name in the left hand side menu. If you don't see this, you want to click on Finder in the top left hand corner, and then you want to click on Settings. Within the Finder settings, you want to click on Sidebar, and within the sidebar menu, you want to make sure CDs, DVDs and iOS devices has been ticked. Once this has been ticked, we can exit out of the Finder settings, and now you should be able to click on your iPhone name in the left hand sidebar. Now we are inside the iPhone settings, we can begin to back up our iPhone. First of all, we want to choose whether we want to back up our iPhone to the iCloud, or if we want to back up our iPhone to our Mac directly. For this example, I'm going to choose the iCloud. If you also want to back up your sensitive information, such as passwords and other health metrics, you want to tick Encrypt Local Backup, and you'll need to enter in a password for your encrypted backup. Once you've done this, you can begin your backup by selecting Backup Now, and you may need to enter in your iPhone password to begin the backup, and this will successfully start backing up your iPhone to your iCloud or your Mac. Now this can take a while depending on how much information is on your iPhone, so you just want to let this happen in the background while you continue to use your iPhone or your Mac. Once the iPhone has completed, we can safely disconnect our iPhone from our Mac by clicking on the eject button in the left hand side menu. And once our iPhone has been ejected, we can disconnect it from the Mac with the cable, and now they are successfully backed up. And now we can start using our iPhone and our Mac just as we normally would. And that is how you back up your iPhone to your Mac. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.